Hello, if you are wondering if it is possible to disable the sleep mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro, then let me try to answer that question for you. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the settings. Then in the settings, we want to head to display options. And now we need to scroll down to find screen timeout. If we go to screen timeout, the maximum time we can set is 30 minutes. So there is no option to completely disable the screen timeout, and therefore deactivate the sleep mode. But I want to also try one more thing. So we're gonna go back to the settings menu, and then let's scroll down to all the way down to go to about phone. Now here we're gonna go to device identifiers, and now we're gonna tap build number several times to activate the developer mode. Now let's enter the pin code. Now let's go back and one more time, then let's go to system, and over here we have developer options. And now over here we have the option that is called stay awake, which we can enable. And as you can see, the description says the screen will never sleep while charging. So technically, let's say it is possible to turn off the sleep mode, but you are required to keep your smartphone charged all the time. You need to pretty much plug in your smartphone, your Motorola, to the charger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.